Aloha, my name is Michelle Belch and I work with Keller Williams Realty Maui here on the west side. And I have been nominated to serve on our board and I would love to be of service again. I have served in the past year. I've been licensed since 2005 as a real estate agent. I started in British Columbia, Canada, and I've been licensed in the state of Hawaii since 2012. I would love to be of service once again, and if you have any questions or would like to reach out to me, please do so. And if I can help you in any way, please don't hesitate to ask. Aloha and mahalo.